Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today we're comparing Shopify and Shopware. Both are powerful e commerce platforms, but they work very differently. So by the end of this video, you will know which one fits your business better. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First of all, a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is a fully hosted e commerce platform that makes it easy for anyone to build an online store without needing any technical skills. Everything comes ready to use, from templates to hosting to payment tools. It's made for beginners, small business owners, and even large brands that want a simple setup. Now, on the other hand, Shopware is more advanced. It offers deeper customization, flexible features, and tools built for large companies or brands that need full control over their store. It really is more technical and usually better for businesses with developers or bigger budgets. Now, let's talk about features. Shopify will give you everything you need to run a store right out of the box. You get beautiful themes, easy product management, built in payment gateways, inventory tracking, discount tools, and a huge app store where you can add extra features whenever you may need them. Shopify also has strong marketing tools like email automation, abandoned cart recovery, and built in SEO features. It really keeps things simple so that anyone can launch a store quickly. Now, Shopware, on the other hand, focuses on flexibility. It allows full customization, advanced product layouts, detailed customer groups, multi-store support, and powerful B2B features. It gives you more control over the design and structure of your website. This makes it great for mid-size and enterprise businesses that need very specific features or want to build a unique e-commerce experience. But this also means that you usually need a developer, which can make it harder for beginners. Next, let's look at ease of use. Shopify is extremely easy. The dashboard is clean, the setup process is guided, and everything is designed to be simple, even if you have never created a website before. You can add products, change themes, and manage your store without any technical knowledge. Shopware, though, is more complex. It has many advanced tools and options, so new users may find it harder at first. It's powerful, but it requires more learning and sometimes professional help. Finally, let's discuss pricing. Shopify offers 4 main plans, including Basic at $25 per month, Grow is $65 per month, Advanced is $399 per month, and Shopify Plus starts at $2,300 per month. Now, Shopware has 3 plans, including Rise, which starts at €600 per month, Evolve starts at €2,400 per month, and Beyond starts at €6,500 per month. So, which one should you choose? If you want something simple, beginner friendly, and ready to use right away, Shopify is still the best choice. It works for almost any size business, and you can launch a store fast without dealing with any technical challenges. But if your business needs advanced customization, B2B features, multi store setups, or you have a development team built in, then Shopware is a strong option. It offers more freedom and deeper control, which larger brands often need. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you at all, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.